hanggang sa kasulok-sulukan ng bahay. Ikaw ang maglilinis.
Hello lovelies, family and friends. I hope you're all okay and safe. We are back and we're gonna clean our bathroom today.
Again, I have my favorite cleaner item also. Cleaning this one. So, ano siya? Toothpick. Toothpick no. It's like a cotton bud. Pero yung point niya, ayan oh, matulis. So, ayan. So, hindi ko po So, dugyo to yung gagamitin natin. Diba? Useful naman siya. Kasi naman, ayan. Ay. Medyas, kunin muna natin to.
Minagenki desho ka? Kyou wa furo ba o souji shimasu.
Ginagamit ko po yung tubig ng bath. Pagwawashing. Tapos yun na rin po yung gagamitin kong tubig panlinis ng ofuro. Yung hose connected to that. So, nilagay ko lang siya sa loob para pag nilinis natin walang sagabal. Malinis naman po siya kaya ginagamit kong pang wash.
Oh my child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. All your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good.
Ay, talagang life. Life, oh life, oh life. Oh life. Pag hindi niyo po pinasaya yung buhay niyo habang kayo naglilinis, alis ka lang po kayo. Kasi, kaya yan, habang naglilinis, kantahan nyo na lang. Kung yung favorite yung kanta. My way. I use my used sponges also sa mga paglilinis ko ng mga ganito. Ayan. Deske doon kolega Jinsei. So I'm using the bathtub water for cleaning. Sing your favorite songs. And ito din po, pinapaltan ko na siya. Kita nyo, dugyot na siya, nakailang linis na siya. And I change it also to new one. Ito pa. I will use this cleaning our veranda, flooring of veranda also. So I will not throw this yet. Ayan, so patuloy pa na. So ayan. Oh look! So bright! Brighter than my future. Oh, and the flooring also.
But now you tried so hard